Good morning. This is one of our athlete farms. We are good friends farmers. Now we have a special breed in our farm. As you can see, this animal gave birth last night 12 healthy piglets. Now you can win these piglets after 4 weeks or 5 weeks, and you have your 10,000 minimum per piglet. Now, assuming you have the kind of animal like this, 10. Multiply 10 by 12. You have 120. 120 times 10,000. You can do the calculation by yourself. You know what it means. Pig farming is very lucrative. It's a venture you can put your money in, and you're sure of getting your money back with good return on investment. We also have another one here. This one gave us 12 also. You can see they are doing well. It's a long breed. This animal is a long breed. That is what we call the large white. We have landrace, we have large white. You see them, they are doing very well. We also have another one in this other room here that gave us 15. Yes, you had me well. I said 15. 15 wonderful piglets. Please bring the camera close here so they can see 15 wonderful piglets. 15. Now, these animals are very prolific, highly productive. That is what makes pig farming lucrative. You can count on us whenever you want to venture into pig farming. We are good friends farmers. You can always contact us on 070 30 29 82 79. The number again, 070 30 29 82 79. We are very happy to have you. Goodbye. Thank you so much.